Hello everyone, in this video we're going to be talking about graphing linear functions, or let's say representing them on the xy plane. So if you're not familiar with linear functions, I'm going to be introducing them right now. So basically when you have y being equal to something of this form, ax plus b, so where a and b are numbers, so this is a linear representation of a function. Well, we can use numbers instead of letters so that it's more clear. So for example, this is 3x minus 2. Okay, so if you have something like this, how do we actually graph them? So you can do it in multiple ways. You can use like 5 points, 10 points, 20 points. You get the idea. You're going to be trying to find points and put them on the number line and then join them together. But I actually prefer that we're going to be using x and y intercepts. Anyways, even if you don't know it, it's fine. So you're going to be doing this. So first, you set x to be 0. So you're going to do this. It's you're going to do this by yourself. You're going to decide that you put x as 0. So let's say x is 0. Great. Now x is 0. Put this back in the original equation. So write everything the same way. So y is equal to 3. But here, instead of x, you're going to be putting 0. So 3 times 0 minus 2. Okay. So from here, by the way, this arrow means that we're going to get this from that. Okay. It's read as it implies that. Okay. Anyways, so y is equal to 3 times 0 is 0 minus 2. And obviously minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2. This happens if x is 0. So we get the order pair, x being 0, giving y being negative 2. So this is 1 point. We're going to be doing the same thing, but we're going to change roles. So we're going to set y being equal to 0. Okay, and then we're going to be putting y equal to 0 again in this equation. So the equation says y is equal to this, so I can put 0 here at the left side. So now 0 is equal to 3x minus 2. So I'm going to be solving for x here. Okay, so basic stuff. We're going to be moving negative 2 to the other side, so it becomes positive 2, 3x. Yes. From here, we're going to be dividing both sides by 3. So x is equal to 2/3. Okay. So we get a new point here. So the x is 2/3. The y is 0. So now that I have 2 points, I can just plot them on the number, or let's say the x on the xy plane. Okay. So it's going to be a small graph. Okay. So first one, it's 0 and negative 2. So 0, that means we're not going to be moving to right or left. We're going to be staying here. And then the vertical part of this, we're going to be moving 2 steps down because y is negative 2. So this is a point. Okay, let me remove this quickly. So this is a point. Okay, so this is that point. We need this point also. Okay, so for this one, if this is 1, 2/3 of something, like if this is 1, and then we divide it into 3 parts. So approximately this is 2/3. Okay. And then the y is 0. So basically it stays here. So we have these 2 points. If we join them together, we get a line. And this line is actually the graph of this linear equation, right?